My name is Ishita.
My name is Anvi.
And she's my younger sister, and she really wanted to be a part of this video, and she was like, Ishita, please, I really wanna come in this video because she loved the previous video, and she was like, you don't even involve me in your videos. And also I was like, okay, fine, you can come in this video and it's gonna be a really fun video. So we just wanted to show you a few charm bracelets which were recently launched on Spink, and since the lockdown is here, I mean it's going on, so we cannot showcase all the products, so we just wanted to showcase few of the best best sellers, so that you can just go to the website and shop. So I'm just gonna wear this bestseller. This is like best friends charm bracelet. It comes with the lock and aeroplane, and just gonna show you how does it look. I have a very tiny wrist, so it is adjustable and you can always adjust it accordingly. It's a little difficult to wear it on my own. You can always take someone's help actually. And what are you doing, Doodle? I mean, just wear it.
I just wore it.
Okay. I'm taking a little longer. Okay, so yeah, I'll just show you the closer look. Yeah, so this is the lock aeroplane bracelet. It's really pretty, and this one is cycle. It comes with a cycle, lock, and it's a ring and a key. Even this is our bestseller, and this comes with a black strap.
Bracelet. It comes with a heart, an infinity sign, like a cross, and a star. It comes in silver with a strap. It's adjustable, like you can easily fit with your wrist.
This is our fourth bracelet, and this is another bestseller. This is a rose gold unicorn bracelet. Comes with a rainbow, leaf, and unicorn. So we have 3 charms in this one, and this is actually a bestseller. They got orders more than 100 for this one, and this is perfect for kids and adults as well, and perfect for gifting. This is the last set of charm bracelets. We're just showcasing the bestsellers of our collection, and this comes with a love word, ring, heart, double heart, and a crown with rhinestones. So this comes with a silver strap, and this also comes with a silver strap. And we just explain yours.
So this one comes with a bow, a rainbow, a star, a unicorn, as well as an anchor also.
I begin to
So basically basically I just wanted to show you that these charms can be removed easily. I'll just show how can you remove them. Just remove the stopper. And these charms can easily come out. And you can also add new charms from the website. Like we have a lot of different charms on the website, and you can just select from them. You can shop them separate and then add up, and you can just customize all the charm bracelets. Like all of them can be customized easily, and it's really fun actually. You can always gift people, and it's a very good return gift as well, and kids would love it definitely. You can just shop the unicorn ones, and we have special bracelets for kids as well. And oh yes, this the width of the bracelet is around 10 mm, so it's not really thick. You can just see it's normal. So yeah, and you can just go to the website. It's www.spink.com, and you can we ship worldwide, and you can order them online, and it can be dispatched as soon as you order. So yeah, I hope you really like these charm bracelets, and this is you must have got a clear view of these bracelets. And yeah, so you can just go to the website and shop. Hope you loved it, and just leave your comments below. If you have any query, you can just DM us directly, or you can contact us customer service anytime. We have 24 hours customer service. And hope you liked our video. And Anvi, she was actually really conscious before the video. I hope you find out.
I wasn't conscious.
You were, and
No, I
are you
wasn't.
find out?
Yes, I am.
She's gonna come, and you're gonna see her in a lot of videos. She is totally free these days because she just got over with her 12th boards. Actually, just one is left, and she will be coming in more videos. So stay tuned.